Looking to make your own fresh tortillas? Introducing the Uno Casa Tortilla Press, an 8-inch, heavy-duty cast iron press that will last you a lifetime. It comes pre-seasoned and ready to use right out of the box and features a bolted, reinforced handle design. Just prepare a simple dough and put it on the surface between two pieces of parchment paper. Then gently press. The perfectly flat surface creates a round, fresh tortilla in less than a minute. Next, remove the parchment paper and place the tortilla in a preheated pan. Cook it on both sides for a minute or two, and your tortilla is ready. The Uno Casa even includes 100 pieces of parchment paper, so you can start cooking immediately. The Uno Casa Tortilla Press. Enjoy authentic Mexican cuisine from the comfort of your own home.